Hey, it's Jason at Hangtown Affordable Auto Repair with a daily video. 2003 S10 4.3 liter engine, only 59,000 miles, and driving it. Got a code for P0128, which means the vehicle's not getting hot enough quick enough and putting out too many emissions. So as I was driving it, it doesn't get above 159 degrees. Look at the thermostat. You can see how corroded it is at 59,000 miles because it's still 19 years old. All this is just crap. This is what it should look like, and it's stuck open. So we do recommend 10 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, for thermostats, hoses, coolant flush. And now that you can tell the coolant's not good, thermostat's not good, and that's the reason why. Call us 530-503-9290. Thanks.